warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Mahesa Institute channel. Today we are going to learn about how to describe a thing. In my class, speaking 1, usually my student really confused how to distinguish of the using, made of and made from. Do you know, guys? Well, if you want to know more about how to use the made of and made from, you have to check my video until the end. Check this out. Well, the verse is made of. Made of digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu benda yang terbuat dari bahan yang masih bisa dilihat dan masih bisa dirasakan dan masih nampak. For example, this trophy is made of wood and made of plastic. This calendar is made of paper. Well, is it clear enough, guys? Well, the second, made from. For example, this sweet is made from sugar, food coloring, and the others. Well, it's so clear enough, right? If you want to know more about the other videos, you can check the videos out. Okay, I hope you can understand more about the English and how to distinguish between made of and made from. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Ta-ta for now!